Hello and welcome to this review of HSU foam cover for Insta360 Ace Pro. This is only for the Ace Pro and this is actually two wind slayers. So they're foam. Let's open it up and see what they're like. So opening these up, we can see in the box we get two of these wind covers here. Now the Insta360 Ace Pro is quite good when it comes to audio because it's got 1, 2, 3 microphones. And it can pick up audio from all around, and it actually does quite a good job of isolating voices. However, it's rubbish when it's windy. If you're just using the internal microphones, they're really affected by wind, even if you put wind reduction on. So the idea is that these wind slayers allow you to basically use the internal mics and deal with wind problems. So let's look at fitting it. So if I put it on like so, down here, I've got a gap where I can use the mounting plates. I've got a gap here where I can see the screen. Obviously, the lens protrudes through. I've got a gap here where I can turn the device on and a gap here where I can press the record button. And that is it. Can the screen flip up? Yes, it's not brilliant. So let's go outside and test how good this really is and see if it does reduce the wind noise at all. So at the moment it's really windy and I'm recording in stereo, not wind reduction, and I'm not using the wind slayer at the moment. So this is the, oh that's really windy. This is the Ace Pro with the wind slayer on, in wind, using stereo recording rather than wind reduction or directional. So it's really picking up, really windy now. I do wonder if the wind slayer is doing its job and cutting out the wind noise and making it clearer to hear my voice. I'll have to check in the edit and then I'll let you know at the end of the video.